What you doing? What you doing? Oh, it's a windy, cool day, but we are going to actually go into town, and I don't know what we're going to get into. We were going to go see Cassandra Long Band at Beer Bellies, and they're not playing today. So change of plans. So, oops.
Who were we gonna go see?
Cassandra Long Band.
Yeah.
And I just assumed they were playing today, and they're not. So we're not going to do that. But that's not going to change our plans of going into town. We're going to go do something. Just don't know what yet.
Gonna go play.
We're going to go play.
Finn?
There's
Puppy. Is this Lloyd? Look at Puppy.
burger, onion rings, my burger, jalapeno poppers, beer, band. Are you cute? Are you cute? I think so too. And now we're going to the kitchen supply. Going to the kitchen supply. Alright. Oh, no, you filming? No. Oh. I didn't film very much, but we walked around some of the tents, and you saw Finn got a stroller, and we ate lunch. We went to the kitchen store, which is right there, and Deborah bought me a new pastry cutter, because that one I got the other day at the I probably should have just kept it because it was old, but I washed it and it was gross. So, it was like it had pastry dough down in the tines, whatever that's called. I was like, no. So threw that away and got this complete metal one. So I'm excited about that. And we're just driving on Cuban Street, watching all the crazy pedestrians and bicycle riders. We're on our way home.